Meta is reportedly weighing a move of its incorporation out of the state of Delaware. Last month, online storage firm Dropbox obtained shareholder approval to move its incorporation from Delaware to Nevada. And last year, Elon Musk moved to reincorporate his companies in Texas and Nevada after a battle over his pay package in Delaware. Joining us now, Delaware Governor Matt Meyer. Matt, Governor, thank you for joining us.
It's great to be here. Good morning.
So what do you say about these companies potentially leaving the stalwart Delaware as the place to keep your corporation?
Well, the truth is, in business, companies are always potentially leaving. They're always potentially coming. It's just a matter of what leaders are going to go out and win the business. For over 100 years, Delaware has been the incorporation venue of choice for all the leading companies in the world. Today, as I speak to you, nearly 2.2 million entities are registered in Delaware, over 2/3 of the Fortune 500 companies. 81% of U.S. IPOs last year were incorporated in Delaware. We're leading the way. We understand there are threats to Delaware supremacy. That's happened a lot in the last 100 years. And what I'm saying is we're going to be out front, making sure we win this business. If companies have already left, we're going to work to win them back.
Is Elon Musk and others, are they right that the Delaware courts have become, I guess, too liberal in taking care of minority shareholders?
Yeah, I don't think it's a question of liberal conservative. I think there's a question of balancing stockholder and management rights. It's been an issue for as long as there's been companies registered, not just in the U.S., but across the world, to make sure we balance those rights. I understand that some feel that in recent years, a number of court decisions haven't gotten that balance right. So I'm saying we need to take a leadership role. We are the business court of choice for companies across the world, and we're going to roll up our sleeves, listen to what customers, listen to what company leaders, listen to what the leading law firms are saying, and make the changes we need to make.
Governor, you're a business attorney yourself. What do you think the problems are? What needs to change?
Well, as a business attorney, you first survey the landscape. What's unusual is not only am I a business attorney, the lieutenant governor is a business attorney. We've been in office now. It's our 14th day. The Secretary of State, who's been in office less than a week, she's a business attorney. It's the first time we've been able to say that in Delaware's history. I'm not sure if there's another state in the country that can say that. So in terms of personnel, anybody running a company out there knows that personnel and leadership is among the most important thing. We have the leadership skills to get this done and to make sure that Delaware remains the preeminent jurisdiction.
What do you hear? Because Delaware has been the premier choice for a very long time, as long as I can remember in any of these issues. You never heard people picking up and leaving like this in mass before. So what do you think needs to be done?
Well, first of all,
Delaware court them back?
Thank you. I understand for those on social media and watching TV every day, it might seem like everybody's leaving. The data suggests otherwise. As I said, we have more entities registered in Delaware today than ever. Having said that, there are issues. We're just starting our survey of the corporate landscape. What we're hearing, one thing we're hearing, just to be completely frank, I was a 6th and 7th grade teacher in addition to being a corporate lawyer, and I had a student who every Thursday, he refused to go to recess. And the reason he refused to go to recess was the teacher who was the proctor, the recess proctor, he felt like didn't treat him fairly. And anytime he'd go out on recess, he'd get in trouble when she was there. And I'm hearing something similar from a number of Delaware companies and attorneys, that they feel like they get the same judge every time when they come to Delaware Business Court, and they don't feel like they're getting a fair hearing.
So who are the judges? Are there judges who are now on the target list of being the bad proctors on the playground?
No, I don't. It's not limited to just one judge. I think it's more about how the judge is selected. If you feel like every day you're getting the same recess proctor, no matter what, and there are a number of people who can preside over the case, we need to look at that and just make sure not only is it actually fair, but there's an appearance of fairness to any litigant that comes before our court. Quite frankly, it's true in our business courts and in our criminal courts and our family courts as well.
Mike, I want to bring you into the conversation because I think you know a thing or two about this. Governor, hold on one second. I just want to bring my colleague Mike Santoli on this. I thought the problem was the rights of minority shareholders. that there was no problem with majority shareholders essentially running roughshod over the rights of minority shareholders, and that, I mean, are we making a huge deal here over the fact that a judge declined Elon Musk's $55.8 billion salary?
I mean, arguably some companies are making a lot of that, but it probably has become somewhat easier with a lot of these proxy voting mechanisms. And, you know, it's become common when we're activist shareholders to just get this tiny little foothold position for the purpose of making a big public show.
All the time.
Of course they do. It's not as if they have their way. Yeah.
Governor, I don't know. I understand that maybe you need to make some changes, but I'm just not clear. And I understand Dropbox is a big deal and Elon Musk is a big deal, but I just don't know. You don't want to give up the right of minority shareholders to have a say in the company.
Various studies have showed over the years that by incorporating your company in Delaware, it creates additional value for all shareholders. And so there's a lot that contributes to that. I know that there's a temptation to focus on one case, whether it's Musk or whatever the rationale is for Dropbox or others leaving. We're looking across the sector, as I said, nearly 2.2 million entities, understanding what is driving at least some sentiment out there that Delaware is no longer the venue of jurisdiction, and making sure we address that. So, you know, it's easy to focus on a single case. It's easy to focus on 3 or 4 or 10 companies posting on social media or sending out press releases. We're doing a much broader sweep than that.
Can I just ask how many judges are there in the court?
In a business court, there are 7.
So if you are worried about, I mean, that's not very many proctors on the recess. If you have some that are seen as not friendly to business, how long do these appointments last?
They're 12-year appointments.
But it wasn't like you had a sudden changeover in judges, is there?
No, that's accurate.